What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Cocktail of the Week, number 5. I know I've been gone for like 2 weeks. Apologise, Christmas and New Year's and everything else. It's been a busy couple of weeks, as I hope that you've had a great couple of weeks off. BC Spirits today, I think I'm at 260 today, so go and watch it. I'm not even sure what I'm tasting yet, because I'm filming this before I film that. Seems a little counterintuitive, but what am I going to make today? I've been tossing around classic cocktails using BC ingredients for a little while now. And I was like tossing and tossing and tossing, and I was like, you know what? I just got this fantastic bottle of the Resurrection, the brand new rye that they just released. Epic. Epic, epic, epic. Now, there's a lot of ryes in the market. I could have used Prospector from Odd Society. I could have used Okanagan Spirits Rye. I could have used the brand new released Stillhead Rye. But there's something about this rye that makes it very Americana for me. I do believe that they're trying to go for a Pennsylvania style rye. It's aged in American oak as well as wine cask, so it's right up my alley. And just really has a nice, balanced, more American style rye palette instead of the usual Canadiana spice bomb. So let's kick this off. I'm going to make a Sazerac today. So, chilled mixing glass at all times. I keep telling people this always. So we're going to do 2 ounces of the Resurrection Rye. And I know, it's a limited edition, it's their first release. How can you do that, Sean? You're a monster. But I really think it's that good. So I'm going to use it in a cocktail because it's my freaking show. We're going to do a very small amount of rich simple syrup from Frostbites. About, I won't say half an ounce, a light half ounce. And then finally we're going to use some cherry Suisse bitters. Suisse cherry bitters from Sling. Now, yes, people are going to go, oh, yes, but what about the... It's not dripping as much as I want it to. What about the Peychaud's? Well, great. I have Peychaud's. I could use Peychaud's, but I'm trying to make this a BC-based Sazerac. So I'm going to use the Suisse cherry because it's very, very, very close. I'm not going to lie to you. Taste them side by side. Very close to flavor profile. So, super simple in that one. Ice up there. Now, what we're going to do, grab our chilled old-fashioned glass, Taboo absinthe, the original BC absinthe. Actually, I think it's the original Canadian absinthe, but that being said, that's what I'm using today. Going to give it a little spin in the glass. Let that sit on the ice for a bit. She's 46%, so you're going to have to get a nice dilution down. Now, I only poured a little bit. Usually I atomize my vermouth, but this one I just poured a little bit. Going to roll it in the glass, keep it simple. I'm actually going to leave the absinthe in there. So, get my spoon. A couple of shout outs. I want to shout out to my wife who got me a brand new Search and Rescue denim apron for the show this year. And honestly, this Libby mixing glass I'm absolutely in love with. The Libby mixing glass is just epic. Like beautiful stem, super thick. Give it a little tasty taste. Oh yeah, that rich simple syrup from Frostbite really brings it together. Honestly, you've got to get that cherry, the Suisse cherry from Sling. It will change your life when it comes to BC Sazeracs. Okay, we're going to give this a garnish. Oh man, that wine finish on the rye is really coming through now, like right here on the back end of me. Going to take a lemon. Get a nice zest. Give it a trim because we're not barbarians. We're not doing swaths on our Sazeracs, we're doing trimmed zests. We go zip, 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 zip over the top. Now, a lot of people ask me why I don't do this on the glass. The same reason why I don't go on my lip, because it tastes like garbage. So just over the top's really nice, super aromatic. Put that on there. I'm going to grab our vintage FTW coaster. And this is a BC Sazerac using Resurrection's new rye, Taboo absinthe, the Sling Suisse cherry, and the rich simple syrup from Frostbites. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks a lot for all the support. I'll see you real soon. Bye.